Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your phone is ready. Update iOS if needed, because app features depend on system version. Once done, open the Resume app and immediately back up the current file to iCloud or Files so you can restore if something breaks. Make sure you have your new job titles, dates, measurable results, and contact details at hand. This saves time. Now tap the resume you want to edit and move to the editing screen to begin actual content updates. You now focus on the detailed changes. Select the summary and rewrite it to match the target role. This helps recruiters scan quickly. Next, edit experience entries. Replace generic duties with quantified achievements and active verbs so the impact shows. Once content is solid, adjust layout settings, font size, margins, and section order to optimize applicant tracking systems and readability. As you change, preview the PDF or print view to confirm spacing and line breaks, and make micro adjustments before finalizing. You're in the home stretch. Preview the resume in PDF mode to confirm formatting, then export to files and send a copy to your email or LinkedIn. Name the file clearly, for example, last name title 2025. PDF and save tailored versions for different roles. Make sure to update the app's backup after exporting. If export or layout breaks, force close the app, clear its cache or reinstall it, and restore your backup. This fixes corrupt templates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.